Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
the expectation on us was too high. People were expecting so much from us. And maybe after 7 years, we haven't done to their expectation. Only God knows what is in somebody's mind. Or as a human being, you cannot say that you are right or we have done what we should. So the government, they have really tried, the administration. They have done their best, but maybe it's still not the best to others. To them, they have done their best, so only God knows. So we must apologize to Nigerians, whether we have met up with their expectation or not.
So in what areas do you think that they could have done better, maybe in your own opinion?
I don't know, because my office, I run it like an NGO, just to receive people. I'm not into government activities. My own is to support them, either on health or education. I don't go into details of what they're doing.
Do you think there's a chance that APC may not come back as the ruling party in Nigeria?
Why did you ask that question? Of course, we'll continue. Of course, APC will win. Okay. By the grace of God.
What do you want them to remember you the most for?
Service to humanity. Yes. We give some stationaries, school materials, and then during our campaign, we insist on, we extracted the few points from the party manifesto. Then we capitalize on it, and then we campaign on it. That is feeding, giving a hot meal to a primary school and secondary school students. Hot meal, and that one will encourage them to remain in school. And it was a big, challenge for us, because by the time my husband came into power, there was no such resources, for that. But I insisted that we campaign for it, and it must be done.
So are you seeing this continuing after your husband leaves office?
Yeah, of course, it will, as long as it's an APC leadership.
And what if it's not?
It should be.
Do you see yourself going for any public office at all?
Thank you very much. I thank God for giving me the opportunity to be the First Lady of Nigeria. And I think that position is such a priceless position. And I thank God. And I pray to God that will grant us good exiting. We hand over to APC government again. And I don't have any political ambition, because after that, I'm going to be the former First Lady of Nigeria. What else am I looking for?
What if you rest for some time and then you come back?
I want to continue resting.
Short word of advice for the next First Ladies who are coming. What do you want them to know that probably nobody may tell them?
Let her just be herself. She should not allow anybody that will come and, mortgage their administration. Okay. So they have to listen to people that voted for them, or people that votes for them. They must listen to people and then be herself. Under any circumstance, she must be herself. She should not allow people to define her. She should try and define herself.
This is what happened in the night. See? I'm okay. Nah, hey, they can't say we come for road. What's the road? Guy, motor broke car. I'm getting very releasing. I give you your van. I hear I'm around here no odewe. Kukutum. You in the phone set yala doja wa. Aike, phone set la doja was.
n'ọkwa ka o si afịa nsogbu udo ei nke a gba pịata nke a dị ka ọ bụ mmanya ọ gba pịata nke a dị ka mmanya ka o bu akwa mmanya dị ife a empty crate nke a le pịata o le pịata auto akọbata ya ọfụma wow hey
You see, Aisha Buhari just explained to the world that APC will win again, that APC is coming back. See, let me tell you people something. This election, don't be deceived. There is nothing like free and fair in Nigeria politics, of which you know that. She have categorically said it facially, openly, publicly to you, for you to know. This is the time for you to use your tongue to count your teeth, my people. Now you see that they understand the game and they are in for the game. But nevertheless, God will keep on protecting his own. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Please do well to share this video, like and subscribe. Thank you and bye-bye.